5 years old and you own your own home, you may be eligible to have your unit completely replaced at no.
And they call me a scam. Really? There it is, William Kellerman. I just pinned your comment. William Kellerman, I need you to, so there's no fraud. I need you to screenshot your profile on YouTube, screenshot this comment, and then email me, mike@mikeypipes.com for your free swag package, which includes a poster. Wow, that is awesome, folks. William Kellerman got it right. Now, some of you may be wondering, well, Mikey Pipes, how much was the fucking bill?